Stop just using AI. What if you could start building and selling your own army of AI agents without writing a single line of code? Forget spending months learning to code. In the next few minutes, I'm going to show you how to use a platform called Make.com to build 3 powerful AI agents that businesses are desperate for, and how you can start making serious money with them this month. The big secret is this: most businesses don't need a super complex general artificial intelligence. They need specific problems solved. They need their social media posts written, their customer emails answered, and their sales leads researched. These are tasks that specialized AI agents can do automatically. That's where you come in. You'll be the architect using Make Visual drag and drop interface to connect different apps and AI brains, creating automated solutions that you can sell as a service for hundreds or even thousands of dollars a month. Let's build our first one. First up, the AI content engine. The problem? Every business, creator, and brand needs to post on social media, but it's a creative drain and a huge time sink. This agent will automatically generate high-quality social media posts from a simple list of topics. The client's control panel. First, you create a simple Google Sheet. This is the only thing your client will ever need to touch. Create columns for topic, keywords, for SEO or focus, platform, e.g. LinkedIn, Twitter, Facebook, and finally, generated post. Inside Make, create a new scenario. Your trigger is the Google Sheets module. Watch for new rows. Point it to the spreadsheet you just made. You can set it to run once a day or instantly. Next, connect it to an OpenAI module using the Create a Completion action. This is where the magic happens. You'll craft a detailed prompt that acts as the AI's instructions. Don't just say, write a post. Be specific. You are an expert social media marketer and copywriter specializing in the tone for the specified platform. Write a 150-word LinkedIn post about the following topic. Map the topic cell from the Google Sheet here. The tone should be professional, insightful, and engaging. Naturally incorporate these keywords. Map the keywords cell here. Conclude with a question to encourage comments and end with 3 relevant, non-generic hashtags. The final step is to add another Google Sheets module. Update a row. You'll tell it to find the original row that triggered the process and then take the text generated by OpenAI and paste it directly into the generated post column. Now, for the money part. You can sell this as a subscription service. For $300 a month, you offer to provide 20 ready-to-publish posts. All the client does is add 20 topics to a spreadsheet, and your AI agent does the rest. It's almost entirely passive income for you and a massive value for them. Next, let's build an agent that handles customer service. Small businesses are swamped with the same questions over and over. Where's my order? What are your hours? Do you ship to Canada? This agent will triage and answer these emails automatically. Here's how you build it. The trigger. In Make, the trigger will be the Watch for New Emails module for Gmail or Outlook. You can have it watch a specific folder or label like AI support. The traffic cop. The very next module is a router. This is a powerful tool that creates different paths for the data to follow based on the email's content. You'll set up filters. Path A, order status. The filter is if the email body contains order status or where is my order. This path connects to a Shopify or WooCommerce module to look up an order by customer email. It then sends the live status, order number, and tracking link back to the customer in a templated email. Path B, simple FAQs. Select text parser, match pattern. The filter is if the email body contains hours or pricing or shipping. This path doesn't even need AI. It just connects to a send an email module with a pre-written response. The AI magic, the default path. For any other question, the router sends the email down a default path. This is where it gets smart. First, you create a business brain in a Google Doc. A master document with all the business's FAQs, product details, return policies, etc. Connect the Google Doc and choose Get Content of a Google Doc. In Make, you connect the default path to an OpenAI module. The prompt is your shield. You are a friendly and helpful customer service agent for client's business name. You must answer the following customer question based only on the information provided in the knowledge base below. Do not make up answers. If the answer is not in the provided information, you must respond with, "That's a great question. I'm escalating it to our human support team who will get back to you shortly." The final modules. The AI's answer is sent back to the customer via a Send an Email module. If the AI couldn't answer, you can add another path to forward the original email to the business owner, ensuring they only have to deal with the truly unique and important issues. For monetization, this is a high-value service. You can charge a $500 setup fee to build and integrate this system, plus a $250 monthly retainer for maintenance, and a certain number of AI-powered responses. You're saving the business owner hours of work every single day. This last agent is the one you can charge the most for. Sales teams spend more than half their time on non-selling activities, especially researching potential leads. This agent automates that entire process. Here's how you build this advanced agent. The trigger. Use an Airtable or Google Sheet as a starting point. The trigger is a new record or new row where a salesperson simply drops in a company name. Initial research. The first action is to use a web scraping or search tool, like a Google Search API module in Make, to find the company's website. Then, use the HTTP, get a file module to pull the text content from their About Us or homepage. AI analysis. Send the cleaned text of the website to an OpenAI module. The prompt is a multi-part command. Analyze the following website text. First, summarize what this company does in one clear sentence. Second, identify the job title for the person in charge of marketing or sales. EI Nasiji, Head of Marketing, CMO, VP of Sales. Third, based on their business, suggest a one-sentence pain point they are likely experiencing that our product could solve. Format your response clearly with labels for summary, contact title Wang, and pain point. Finding the contact. Now it gets powerful. You'll use an email enrichment tool that integrates with Make, like Hunter.io or Clearbit. You'll use their Find Email Address module, feeding it the company's domain you found earlier, and the contact title that the AI identified. This will return a verified email address for that specific person. Closing the loop. The final module is Update a record in your Airtable or CRM. It takes all this new data, the company summary, the key contact's name and title, their verified email, and the suggested pain point, and populates the record. A salesperson can now see a fully qualified, researched lead without lifting a finger. Bonus step. You can even add a final OpenAI module to draft a personalized cold outreach email using the data you've gathered. How do you make money with this? This isn't a simple subscription. This is a strategic partnership. Businesses pay thousands for qualified leads. You can charge $1,000 to $5,000 a month for this service, promising to deliver a set number of highly researched, qualified leads directly into their sales pipeline every single week. So, to recap, a content engine, a customer service responder, and a lead generation bot. 3 distinct AI agents that solve painful, expensive problems for businesses. You can build all of them without writing code, and you can start selling these services next week. The future isn't just about using AI, it's about architecting it to create value. If you want to get started, there's a link to Make in the description below. Let me know in the comments which agent you would build first. Now, go build your empire. Don't forget to like and subscribe.